Your style and tone on TikTok are key to building a recognizable brand. Here's how you can develop a unique voice. 1. Define your brand's personality. Think about how you want your brand to be perceived by your audience. Are you fun and playful, informative and professional, inspirational and motivational? Your brand's personality should be consistent in every piece of content you create. 2. Be authentic and relatable. TikTok users value authenticity. Your audience wants to connect with the real you, not just the polished brand version. Show behind-the-scenes content, interact with your followers, and keep your tone conversational and approachable. 3. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent visual style and messaging across all your content. This includes using the same colors, fonts, and filters, as well as keeping your tone of voice in line with your brand identity. Consistency helps make your brand easily recognizable. 4. Use humor when appropriate. Humor can be a powerful tool on TikTok, but it must fit with your brand's overall message and tone. If humor aligns with your brand's personality, it will help you stand out and connect with users on a personal level. Practice. Developing a content plan for the month. Now that you understand the different types of content, how to choose your niche, and how to develop your brand's style, it's time to create your content plan. Here's how to develop a content plan for the next month. 1. Step 1. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your TikTok content? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales? Your goals will guide the type of content you create. 2. Step 2. Plan your content themes. Based on your goals, decide on the main themes for your content. These could be educational, entertaining, product-focused, or community building. Plan at least 4 core content themes for the month. 3. Step 3. Create a posting schedule. Consistency is key on TikTok. Decide how often you want to post, whether it's daily, 3 times a week, or once a week, and stick to it. Include important dates like product launches, sales, or holidays in your schedule. 4. Step 4. Brainstorm video ideas. For each content theme, brainstorm specific video ideas. For example, if you're focusing on educational content, you might create a series of how-to videos. Mix in trending challenges, behind-the-scenes content, and product demonstrations to keep things fresh. 5. Step 5. Review and adjust. After a couple of weeks, review your content performance. Which videos got the most engagement? Which ones didn't perform as well? Adjust your strategy accordingly, focusing on what works and improving what doesn't. Conclusion. A solid content strategy is essential to building your presence on TikTok. By creating content that resonates with your audience, staying consistent, and using the right style, you'll start to see your engagement grow. In the next module, we'll dive deeper into creating high-quality content and optimizing your videos for maximum impact.